I'm sure it's time to pass. I don't wanna think again. Baby, come cool.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Colette, also known as the Melanin Maiden, and on this channel you'll get to see a lot of lookbooks, fashion, hauls, and try-ons, and you'll also get to see a little bit of beauty and unboxing, things like that. So if this is something that you guys are interested in, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, thumbs up if you love this video, and comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more content like this in the future. All right, you guys, let's get into this video. Today, we are going to be doing everything Coco CHANEL Mademoiselle. And I am going to be showing you for the first time, because I have not opened this box, what I got. I just got it actually this evening in the mail, and I'm so excited to show you guys what I got in my Chanel box. I got this little Chanel card right here, and this card has, well, this envelope has all of my tracking. It has all of my order information, order number, return slip if I am unsatisfied with the products that I receive, which I know I will not be. So yeah, comes with that. And then it also, this is the package, you guys. So I got this beautiful classic Chanel box. This is mostly how all of their packaging is. If you order, I think if you order like makeup, things like that, it comes in like a cute little bag that's black and white, signature colors of Chanel. And then today I just got two things from Chanel. Right, so let's open that up. We're gonna just put that to the side. Okay, so this is so cute. It has the Chanel emblem right here, and it's more like it's almost that plasticky material, but it also has Chanel tissue paper inside, and it feels very cushiony, so it does feel like there's some kind of pouch or something in there, but I don't know if you guys can see it up close. There's like Chanel printing. So we're gonna go ahead and open this, and I'm just going to gently open it because I don't want to destroy this beautiful aesthetic. Okay. Oh, see, kind of ripped it a little bit. Tissue and items fall out of the box. So this is what comes inside of the box. A nice black pouch, and then I have a card that is addressed to me. I'll read that later, but this card is so cute. It's a good keepsake, you guys, if you just want to like kind of put it in your vanity or on your shelf. It's really good to have something like this along with the box. All right, so let's see. Oh, this is really cute. Comes in this little Chanel pouch. So here are the travel size samples that I received with my order. So I got the Chanel #1 de Chanel Serum Revitalizant Red Camellia Revitalizing Serum. So this I will be using. I cannot wait to use this. This is supposed to be good for fine lines, wrinkles, things like that, which I don't really have right now, but it's good for preventative reasons. Okay, so inside of the little pouch, we also have, I think this is a repair cream from Chanel. So this right here, I'm just gonna open that up and see what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. Okay. It's a cream, a little revitalizing cream. Almost, a revitalizing restoring cream. Okay, you guys. So, the two products that I purchased, one is the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel Paris, and this is the body oil that I got. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is the body oil that I got. I cannot wait to use this to kind of layer with my perfume. And then I also got the Coco Mademoiselle Chanel Paris hair perfume. So I want to smell so good from head to toe, so why not? use the body oil, use my hair perfume, and then use my perfume. You know, all three of these. So we're going to go ahead and open this up, see what the body oil looks like. Oh, and I'm going to tell you, the body oil is a silky moisturizing oil. And I believe that you can use this in the shower and you can use it after the shower. For me, it's going to be for special occasions because a little bit is going to go a long ways. This is such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bottle. The bottle is plastic, it's not glass. For those of you who are interested in purchasing this, it does come in a plastic bottle, which is still gorgeous to sit on your vanity or in your bathroom vanity. I just cannot wait to use this. I just want to, oh my gosh. Okay, and it also comes with a spray nozzle. So I'm glad that this is not one of those body oils that you pour into your hand, because I feel like you waste a lot of the product like that. But this has a nozzle where you're able to control how much you put on, and I just love that. Smells so good. And I love the top, very chic, has the Chanel logo on top. And this is going to just look so beautiful on my vanity. I cannot wait, guys. And let's go ahead and open the hair perfume. Oh, this little box. This is 1.2 fluid ounces. And the body oil is 6.8 fluid ounces. So that is a lot of oil that you're going to get in this bottle. I wonder if this perfume, this hair perfume, has like oil in it. I'm sure it does because it is a hair oil. Oh, look how cute. That is so pretty. You see that? Beautiful. So a little is going to go a long ways with this as well. So yeah, I cannot wait to pair all three of these items, you guys. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I just love the Chanel Coco Mademoiselle just because it is like a timeless, classic signature scent for me. This is my signature scent. If you know me, you know that I love Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. Like, that's my favorite fragrance from the line of Chanel. And I just wanted to kind of enhance my scent by adding a body oil and a hair perfume. But if you're interested in, you know, purchasing any of these, comment down below. Let me know what your favorite Chanel fragrance is. If you love the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, Team Coco Mademoiselle, okay? Yeah, so yeah, just let me know down below in the comments if you are interested in seeing another video or more luxury related videos like this. All right, you guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in on today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs up, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on no more content from me. And I'll see you in my next video. Be blessed.
Here are some of my latest videos, you guys. Go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up this video, and also hit the notification bell so you never miss out on any of my content. Until next time, be blessed.